So Amazon recently updated their Echo lineup by introducing second-gen Echo devices in the market, precisely Echo, Echo Dot, and Echo Plus. These devices now support tons of things which can actually supplement to a greater connected home experience with the introduction of Smart Home Hub, far field voice control, and a vast array of Amazon's Alexa skill set. The device that I have with me is the newest of all, the Echo 2nd Gen. It's by far the best Echo device that you can get, provided you have the needed requirements. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So hey guys, if you don't know, I am Prateek while you're on the Next English channel, and this is the unboxing and a thorough look over the new Amazon Echo 2nd Gen.
I had some trouble with my baby, and this is what the gypsy said. The gypsy cried.
So for starters, Echo is a hands-free voice-controlled speaker that allows you to perform various set of actions with the help of Alexa. Now Alexa is a virtual assistant made by Amazon, kind of like Apple has Siri, Google has Google Assistant, and Amazon has its own Alexa. Now Alexa is built in the cloud and leverages Amazon Web Services to pull out answers or suggestions depending upon the questions you ask or the task you give it. So now that you have a basic idea of what's going on, let's head over to the box. On the front you can see a set of actions listed which Alexa can execute on a daily basis. Rest aside from the branding, there's something called far field voice control, which we will get into a bit. Flipping to the side, you can see that Amazon Echo has support for Alexa voice service, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Flipping again to another side, you can see some of the vast features explained in a jiffy. It can play music directly from the Amazon Prime Music, TuneIn, Saavn and more by specifying song, genre or artist. The description also conveys that it has 360-degree omnidirectional audio which delivers crisp vocals and dynamic bass response. To my evaluation so far, I've definitely felt the dynamic bass. It has 7 microphones equipped with beamforming technology having noise cancellation. So that's why Echo can hear you even when the music is playing. This is termed as 2nd Gen far field voice recognition. Whereas yes, to my evaluation, it picks up my command from quite a distance without any hassle. There are tons of interesting features which you can unlock by adding new skills, smart home devices, etc., which I will talk about in a bit. Below you can see that the price quoted on the box is Rs 9,999, although it is available on Amazon India for about Rs 6,999 and outside for about $99. Flipping to the last side, remember I said about adding new skills to your Echo device? Well, skill is like installing an add-on to your service so that you could fetch the data from that particular add-on without installing add-on's proprietary software. Now these are some of the known skills which are available in India, or rather the skills which Amazon has partnered with. Nonetheless, there are ample amount of skills and that set is growing daily. The contents present inside the box houses Echo device along with a power adapter with a power rating of 21 watts. Now that I have given you a complete tour of the retail box, let's unbox it to find the real deal. Opening the box, the experience is quite streamlined. There's a lid to pull straight up and that's basically you pulling out the entire contents in one go. Simple, easy, amazing. First thing is the Echo itself. Then there's the compartment below which houses the power adapter and some basic manuals. The first one is the AC power adapter, having 21 watts of power rating. It's made out of a high quality material and it's quite good in terms of build. The output shown is 15 volts at 1.4 amps, whereas the power cord is decently long enough and permanently fixed into the adapter. While yes, the connection end is not a micro USB connector because quite possibly it cannot output that much. Next thing up are the manuals present inside the box. First one gives a basic overview about setting your Echo device. It also displays how you can change the outer layer of the Echo device. Second is the warranty guide and instructions manual. Third card has the list of actions which you can ask Alexa to perform. We will try this out in the end. There are actions listed on both the front and back of it. Last card is the most important one, which gives you a basic information about recycling, do's and don'ts with this device. So now that everything is out of the way, let's head over to the beast, the Amazon Echo. It's nicely wrapped inside a plastic shell. Once out, you can feel a smooth texture going on the main frame of the device. You can also see the subtle Amazon branding. On the top lies the main game of it. There are 7 microphones present which help in far-field voice recognition, the part I explained earlier. Apart from the microphones, there are 4 buttons: volume up, volume down, action trigger and the mute button. All these represent the core functionality of the Echo device. Here the main body has a soft textured shell. While to remove this, we need to push the solid dimple at the bottom and off the shell goes, revealing the main body. Inside is the 2.5 down-firing woofer with a dedicated tweeter which supports Dolby processing. The inside body is nothing fancy, neither is the inside of the shell. It's just a mechanism to swap the external shells. Putting it back on is easy. Just insert the shell in similar manner and wait until you hear a solid click, which indicates that the shell has clamped up properly. The 2nd gen Echo device is pretty hefty, which is the reason why I wouldn't recommend you to drop it accidentally, as it might take some serious damage. Alright, so now that we are through with the box contents, let's power it up and head over to the setup process. Now to turn on Echo, simply plug on the power adapter, insert the power connector to your Echo device and immediately you can see a blue light ring circling around Echo's top edge. Then when light ring turns orange, you will hear this.
Your Amazon Echo is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
After that, go and download Amazon Alexa app from Play Store, then log in with your Amazon credentials, so that you will land onto the screen. Then simply hit continue and then select your device. So in my case, it's the Echo. Then select English India as your language to proceed. Quick side note, if the English India language is not shown, follow the steps given in the description box below. So now hit continue, select connect to Wi-Fi and again continue. Now go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and search for a hotspot named Amazon with 3 other letters. The moment you select that Wi-Fi, it will say this.
You've connected to Echo. Go ahead and complete the setup in your Alexa app.
So now tap continue and select your own Wi-Fi connection. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap continue, and that's about it. Internet connectivity is now configured on your Amazon Echo device. After the configuration, you will see a short video introducing the basic aesthetics of this device. Even if you know the basics, you will have to forcefully watch this video as you cannot skip it. Although I'll skip this part to make the video more informative. Also, on a keen note, you get 1 year of free Amazon Prime membership with access to full suite of Amazon services in the country. Alright, now that everything is set up, let's try initiating a command. So there are 2 ways to wake up your Echo device. First, you can tap the action button. Second, you can say Alexa to trigger the action button, hands-free. So here it goes. Alexa, are you online?
Yes, I am connected to the internet.
Alexa, what's the time now?
It's 8:46 p.m.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
How can you tell if your tea is Indian? It's a cutting chai.
Alexa, increase volume. Alexa, decrease volume. Alexa, play latest songs.
The playlist Best of New Music from Amazon Prime Music.
As you saw, the commands I gave took a couple of seconds, so sometimes these commands don't show up. Whereas for any given command, you can provide feedback to Amazon whether the action was performed or not. Sometimes when I gave the command to increase or decrease the volume, I could only see the volume slider going up or down. It would have been better if Amazon could show this in terms of sound too. Also, swiping from left edge opens up the hamburger menu on the app, where you can set up Alexa with host of other things. Let's take smart home as an example, where one can add smart device such as smart bulb, smart plugs, security cameras, etc. by putting your devices in pairing mode. However, for these to work, you will need a separate Wi-Fi bridge system, something like Samsung's Smart Things. But such a problem can be solved if you have a larger Echo device, which is the Echo Plus variant, since it comes with built-in Wi-Fi Smart Home Hub. on the account of which only limited Zigbee devices can be added in it, while the Z-Wave devices are not supported as of now. So even though the Smart Home Hub is built into the Echo Plus, its functionality is quite limited. If you don't know, Zigbee and Z-Wave is a communication protocol which operates under personal area networks suitable for home automation standards. More on that for you nerds is in the description box below. Skills tab is also another core functionality of the Echo device. This also plays a major part in the smart home applications. For example, you can play your own playlist by linking your Savan account in the Alexa app. Similarly, you can book an Uber with just your voice once you have linked your account. Getting the news update from a specific media is also possible by linking the skill in your account. For example, Times of India. There are a couple of other categories in which you can initiate different tasks. As of now, I'll show you how to link your Savan account. Then these following commands can work on your skill easily. Play each Sheeran on Savan.
Ed Sheeran top songs from Savan.
Alexa, next.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Whereas, as promised, here are the commands which are given in the instruction manual. What's the news?
Here's your flash briefing. From NDTV News, latest news.
Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, cancel the timer.
5-minute timer cancelled.
Alexa, where is my order?
I didn't find any open orders for Pratik.
Sick. Alexa, how many teaspoons in a tablespoon?
One tablespoon equals 2.96 teaspoons.
Alexa, dim the lights.
Sorry, I couldn't find a device or group named Lights in Pratik's account.
What's the weather?
Maharashtra, it's 20 degrees with clear skies. Tonight's forecast is more of the same, with a low of 17 degrees.
How is the traffic?
Sorry, I can't give you traffic information yet.
The hamburger icon also houses Reminders and Alarms tab, Settings tab and Routines tab. If you hop on to the Settings tab, it lets you update your Wi-Fi configuration with your Echo device, just in case if you want to use it with a different Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also set it up with a Bluetooth, a remote, or even an Alexa gadget. You can even change the wake up word from Alexa to Computer, Amazon or Echo. Making purchases via Amazon is also possible. Just make sure that you set up a passcode to authorize your purchases in settings for security purposes or for avoiding accidental purchases. It's as simple as Alexa, buy me a deodorant. Then Alexa will suggest you with few names. You choose one, tell the passcode and you have bought it. It's that simple. So all in all, it's an interesting gadget which has got a lot stronger than the first generation devices which were announced a while back. Back in the day, I thought Amazon Echo would just fade away since it wasn't baked up properly with features other than voice assistance to daily tasks. But now with the possibilities of smart home automation and Alexa skill set, I see it growing at a fast pace and it very well might be the year of AI in 2018. Now that even Google and Apple have stepped in with their own proprietary devices. I've been using the Echo for the past month ever since Amazon sent this to me, and I've enjoyed using it to the fullest. I've also tested the Echo Dot and Echo Plus since a friend of mine has it, and in comparison to these three devices, if you're planning to buy the Echo Dot, Definitely upgrade
I
your
didn't
budget and
find
get the
any
second
open
generation
orders for
Echo,
Pratik.
since according to my experience, Echo Dot has had trouble picking up my voice even at a small distance. Alexa, also I'll be mostly posting a
how
review
many
of the Amazon
teaspoons in
Echo
a
2nd gen
tablespoon?
soon, as I want to test the smart home section of the Echo, so stay tuned for more.
One
Again, a
tablespoon
lot of which I
equals
spoke will be in the
2.96
description box below,
teaspoons.
so make sure you check it out
Alexa,
for more understanding.
Dim the lights.
Whereas use my Amazon links to buy your Echo devices. It won't cost you extra,
Sorry,
but it'll just
I
help out the
couldn't
channel. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this thorough, informative video. Also, there are tons of videos lined up which will be coming up every week on our channel, so make sure you're subscribed. Whereas hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video. Join the fam so that we will meet again in our new video.